good evening. My name is Stephanie and my sister Natalia.
Hello.
We're having a mukbang dinner. Then let's dig in. Wow, that was a delicious meal. I hope you enjoyed watching us eat our delicious and healthy dinner food. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.